probably paying for extra iPhone storage alone. But did you know Apple lets you share your iCloud Plus storage with up to 5 other people? And the best part? Everyone still keeps their own private data also. So this is my iPhone without any iCloud Plus subscription. Right now, I'm only using the free 5 GB storage plan that Apple gives by default. And as you can see, it's already completely full. Because of that, backups stop working properly, photos don't sync correctly, and you keep getting those annoying iCloud storage full notifications again and again. So this is another iPhone, and this one already has an iCloud plus 200 GB plan activated. Now let's see how we can share this 200 GB storage with another iPhone without buying a second iCloud Plus subscription or paying for extra storage again. The best part is, both phones can use the same shared storage while still keeping their own photos, files, backups, and personal data completely private. Inside the subscription section, you can see all the iCloud Plus features available on this iPhone. Here, you'll also notice the Family Sharing option. This is the feature that allows you to share your iCloud Plus storage with other family members without purchasing another plan. So now, simply tap on Family Sharing to continue. After enabling family sharing, you can invite another member directly from this iPhone using a message, email, or even AirDrop. Just select the person you want to add and send the invitation. And don't worry about your files. Even though the iCloud Plus storage is shared, everyone still keeps their own photos, videos, backups, contacts, and files completely private and separate. Now move to the other iPhone. Once the invitation is received, they simply need to accept it using their Apple ID, and that's it. Instantly, that iPhone will start using the shared iCloud plus 200 GB storage plan without needing to buy another iCloud subscription. This is one of the easiest ways to save money while giving multiple family members access to extra cloud storage at the same time. Usually after completing these steps, you should immediately see the shared iCloud Plus subscription on the other iPhone. But sometimes the iCloud storage amount doesn't update right away. Even though family sharing is already connected, that happens? Don't worry. Just follow these simple steps and the shared iCloud storage should appear correctly within a few moments. Now open the Settings app on the second iPhone. Below the Apple ID profile section, you should see the Family option. Open it, then tap on your Apple ID. After that, go to Subscriptions. In here, you should now be able to see the shared iCloud Plus subscription. You may also see a small invitation message asking you to accept and join the family. Simply tap Accept, and the shared iCloud Plus storage will start working on this iPhone as well. After a few minutes, you should see the shared iCloud Plus plan appear here successfully. Once it's activated, the iPhone will start syncing photos, videos, backups, and other files directly to the cloud storage automatically. Now you can enjoy extra iCloud storage without purchasing another subscription separately. So honestly, this family sharing feature is really useful because it's not only for iCloud Plus storage, you can also share many other subscriptions and purchases with your family members, like Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, apps, purchase content, and more, without everyone paying separately. So this is my video about Apple Family Sharing. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you or not, and if you still have any questions or problems while setting it up, feel free to ask. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel to see more tech videos like this. See you again in the next video.